Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a side dish which is different from the usual ones, which is colorful as well as tasty. So let's start making our stuffed peppers. Ingredients required to make stuffed peppers are olive oil, quinoa, bell peppers, corn, tomatoes, kidney beans, cheese, chili flakes, jalapenos, basil and salt. To make stuffed bell pepper, you can take any color bell pepper. I am taking red and yellow. Just cut from the top and remove everything from inside. Remove all the seeds and it should be completely empty like this. The same way we will do it with the yellow one. Keep this aside, we might just cover it as a lid later on. This is done. In this, I have just boiled water, add little salt and little oil. Put your bell pepper and you'll just allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. We are doing this so that it becomes soft and it's easier to work. My water is already hot, that's the reason I'm just going to boil it for 3 minutes. If your water is not hot enough, boil it for 5 minutes. I've allowed it to boil for 3 minutes. It has become soft. Now I'm going to remove it. Just don't overcook it. I have boiled it for 3 minutes. We want it little soft and not too soft. So this is done. Keep it aside. Add around 1.5 tablespoon olive oil, half tablespoon basil leaves. In that, around 2 tablespoon boiled corn, 2 tablespoon finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoon boiled kidney beans. Then we'll add 1 cup cooked quinoa. If you all don't have quinoa, you all can even use rice, but quinoa are really very healthy, so that's the reason I am going to use quinoa. In that, 1 tablespoon jalapenos, chili flakes according to your taste, how spicy you all want, salt to taste. Put 1 grated Amul cheese and just give it a light mix. And our filling is ready. Once our filling is ready, we are going to stuff it in the bell pepper. If you don't want to put cheese in the filling, you all can avoid putting it, and it completely depends on you all how much you all want to put while making the filling. So just put according to your taste. And once we have stuffed the filling, we are going to put some more grated cheese, and in the same way we will fill our other bell pepper. After it's stuffed and after we have put the cheese, now we are going to keep this for baking on 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 18 minutes. Our stuffed bell peppers are ready. I hope you all like this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.